And this is another little quick tour. I wanted to show you all of my beautiful Paris fabric. It's all here. Well, I shouldn't say all of it. I have some other places. But if you notice the Eiffel Towers and some other beautiful prints and complementary fabrics, all kinds of things. And of course, the bottom of the cupboard is full of it too. Most of these are things that I deemed not suitable for the little girls' dresses, for Dress a Girl Around the World. So these are what I will be making my cotton tops out of, hopefully. This is what I call my design room. You notice my cubbies. And then in another video, I showed you all my Paris fabric. But these cubbies here are full of men's shirts, women's shirts. They're for my shirt dresses and my shirt tunics. And then these are all my little zoo and my stuffies. And I leave them here on the beds and pick and choose which ones I take to the show. And there's my inspiration quilt. I am a breast cancer survivor, so this quilt holds special meaning for me. I got it from another vendor at a show. And of course, if you notice, I have birds on my curtains. And then I have some pictures in here. This one is particularly meaningful to me, and it's a companion picture to this one. And the meaning that I have for those is that, you know, when one door closes, another one opens. That's the story of my life. And if you notice my little bird pictures, I have a few of them. They're kind of hidden here. I have a friend, May Chang, and her company name is Black Tea Cafe. These are hand-done watercolors. She does birds and all kinds of things, and she's in Houston. I will put a link in the description of this video to her. She does a lot of beautiful things. And then these bags here are completed and finished book pocket pillows, ready to take to shows. Of course, I have more drawers and cubbies. This is special completer pieces for my tunics. And over here, well, I have a stash of denim vests and things waiting to be made into long duster vests. But the bottom of this, these cubbies are filled with book pocket pillow material and also pillow pockets that are already embroidered, and they're stashed with their companion fabric. So they're ready to sew and put together for shows. While I have you in here, oh yeah, you'll see that little mess behind the door. Those are other patterns that are clipped together for later. And this, well, of course, there's beautiful me, chubby, chubby, chubby. And I'm gonna open the door here so you can see my closets are full. And this is more flannel jackets, flannel shirts for jackets and cubbies, more flannel shirts. And over here is some more material. And these bags are already cut aprons. And I was thinking about selling those as kits, you know, with the pattern, so you can make an apron yourself. But I don't know how those will sell. I might try them in my store because they are just hanging here waiting for me to make them. And I don't make too many aprons anymore. And then I have more of a stash down here of other things waiting to be used and completed. And oh, one other thing that I didn't show you, I believe. See that little serger there? That serger is waiting to go home with her new mama. Someone donated that to me to donate to my sewing protege. She needs another lesson, and then she's gonna go home with her. So let me know if there's anything you see here that you want another explanation of, but here's kind of my motto. And my beautiful Paris fabric. If you see something here that you think I should make a shirt out of and a pair of bloomers right away, make sure you let me know.